Thanks for coming back to the channel. About 6 months ago, I did a video showing how to make a custom desktop microphone arm, and absolutely nobody watched that one, so here's an update. After using it for a while, it's time to finally turn the short right-angle XLR cable that was on hand into a proper custom job for this setup, and we can also get rid of the 6-inch gooseneck too, as that has turned out to be pretty unnecessary. I've got some VTG Audio 22 gauge microphone cable here to use, so let's get started. This is just the top portion of a straight microphone stand, so one end is open and we just need to drill a hole at the microphone end big enough for our 4mm diameter cable to exit.
Idiot!
So we'll go a few millimeters larger than that. If you had a small rubber grommet, that would be perfect for this, but I don't have one on hand, so I'm just going to use a little round metal file to smooth all the edges down. And that's as simple as it is. Anyone can do this, and I'm sure loads of people watching have done much more elaborate custom wiring jobs. Leave a comment if you've done something like this before, either on a paid installation or just for yourself. It'd be great to hear what you think, and it would be awesome if you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, or join the channel here or on Patreon so I know to keep making more of these videos. Thanks for watching.